Hello, my name is Caden Ratcher, and today I will be going over the discussion board for my psychology class, which is the biological perspective. I will be answering 3 questions, and those 3 questions are: why did Mr. Gage survive his accident? What specific part areas of the brain were left undamaged that allowed him to live? The second is, what are the HeLa cells and where do they come from? And the third is, what is meant by the mind-gut connection and what 4 organisms made up the gut biome? Now, for the first one, basically, so Phineas Gage, the railroad guy from the video, had this crazy accident where a 3-iron rod shot through his skull. Now, the reason he lived is kind of insane. The rod missed the supercritical parts of his brain that control things like breathing and heart rate, so which are the brainstem. Those are like your life support systems. Yeah, he lost a chunk of his frontal lobe, which is why his personality flipped and he started acting different, but the stuff that keeps your body running, like breathing, pumping blood, even moving around, was untouched. That's why even with half his head completely punctured, he was literally able to stand up right after and start talking. For the second question, what are HeLa cells and where did they come from? Okay. These are basically immortal cells. They came from a woman named Henrietta Lacks back in 1951. Doctors took cells from her cervical cancer tumor without asking her, and they noticed these cells just kept dividing and didn't die like normal ones. Because of that, HeLa cells became the first human cells scientists could grow forever in labs. And they've been used in everything, like developing the polio vaccine, cancer research, space experiments, you name it. It's a little shady how they got them, but HeLa cells totally changed medical research forever. Now, for my third one, what is mind-gut connection and what makes up the gut microbiome? The mind-gut connection, basically your stomach and your brain are besties. There's this highway called the vagus nerve that sends messages back and forth. So if your gut's stressed out, your brain feels it. And if you're anxious, your gut reacts. That's why people say, I got butterflies, or feel sick before a big test. Now, inside your gut, you've got trillions of tiny little things that's your gut microbiome. The big 4 players are bacteria, fungi, viruses, and protozoa. So, yeah, your gut's basically a crowded city, and keeping it balanced helps your brain too.